There's a reason they invented dash cams. You never know when you're going to need to rewind what you just saw. And you can with the BlackVue DR900X Series 4K UHD Dashcam. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Dash cams are everywhere these days, and they're used in everything from proving you're not at fault in an accident to recording traffic stops with police, and even just for a laugh. So, what makes the BlackVue DR900X 4K UHD Dashcam so special? Specs and features. Out of the box, you've got the BlackVue DR900X unit, a mounting bracket, and 3M adhesive strips, as well as a 32 gigabyte SD card and USB dongle. You'll also find cabling for your two power options, either hardwired into your car's electrical or via the old 9-volt cigarette lighter port. As the name suggests, the front-facing 8-megapixel camera is capable of capturing 4K ultra-high-definition resolution video over a 162-degree field of view at 30 frames per second. If removing and swapping out SD cards from the side of the dash cam seems like a hassle, you can purchase the optional CM100 LTE. It connects to your compatible BlackVue X Series dash cam to provide easy 4G LTE cloud connectivity, so you can use your BlackVue as a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 devices. With the BlackVue Cloud service set up, you're able to log in from anywhere at any time to check your car's surroundings. Also on the side of the camera itself are ports to connect additional devices, such as a rear parking camera or infrared sensors. The other side of the camera features a proximity sensor that activates and deactivates audio recordings with the wave of your hand. So, what about the video quality? We took the BlackVue out for a spin, and this is what it recorded. And while we didn't get into any accidents, Matt did get a little hungry. So, what do we like about the BlackVue DR900X 4K UHD Dashcam? 4K Ultra is a huge step up from 720p and even Full HD. If you need to make out the last digit of that license plate from that asshole that backed into you, you're going to need all the video quality you can get. The cloud connectivity is good for peace of mind and allows you to keep an eye on your car no matter who's driving. So, what's the downside? Unfortunately, for all the effort they put into the camera, they skimped on the microphone. There's nothing better than an epic car crash sequence paired with tinny audio and your terrible taste in music. So, what are other people saying about the BlackVue DR900X 4K UHD Dashcam? One reviewer named I Love Stuff wrote, "My current BlackVue system isn't very old, and I've been very happy with it, but this DR900X boasts better components, resolution, and a better sensor, so I couldn't pass this up. Installation was easy for me as I just plugged it into my existing wiring. It took 1 to 2 minutes. The 3M adhesive is excellent as usual, but you will need to clean your surface with alcohol to get the best adhesion. The sensor is excellent. Picture quality is as good as it gets for dash cams. The picture quality at night is also amazing. Wow." Another reviewer, Tom, gave 4 stars, but his review doesn't sound that positive. I have mixed feelings about this. Nice form factor and great 4K video. Sketchy software and finicky parking mode make it a bit frustrating to use. Not comfortable with the cloud feature, so I prefer to use the micro SD card. Easy to install and hardwire if you so choose. With all the options out there, not sure where this fits in. Take a look, weigh the options, and make an informed decision. At this price point, I think there are better options. So, what's the verdict? For us, the BlackVue DR900X 4K UHD Dashcam was an upgrade, and it ticks every box except the audio. We give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. And the BlackVue DR900X 4K UHD Dashcam could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our BlackVue DR900X 4K UHD Dashcam, the rules, as always, are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck, everybody. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.